Heidi ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And today is Monday, December 27th, which means it's time for the last one of the year. Yep, it's Deals of the Week. Oh, yeah. Hey, real quick before we jump into these hot and spicy deals, just want to let everyone know who won one of the items from the giveaway right before Christmas. We're still working on it. Things are moving slow here. There's been a stomach bug going around the family, and on top of that, we are frozen in solid. I mean, solid up here. We got inches and inches of snow, and it's been sub-zero for a few days now. In fact, we got frozen pipes at home. It's all sorts of fun stuff we're dealing with. So anyway, this stuff's coming. It's just moving a little slowly. Anyway, that said, let's jump into the deals. First up, we got a new brand, Phil Powell, the B8 Pro 20 volt 400 CFM brushless leaf blower with variable speed cordless. Yeah. Anyway, they sent me one of these. We're going to be doing a review on it this week. I'll be honest, I see the price for a 20 volt blower and I'm like, $170. That seems excessive. That said, they did give us a couple discount codes. First of all, you got the coupon here. If you click it, and it saves you $50 off. And then also, if you enter the code DENTOOLS, all caps, when you check out, it gives you like another $11 or something on top of that. Getting this close to like $100 for this whole thing. So with the blower, the charging base, and the 4 amp hour battery, that's not a terrible deal on that. So anyway, we'll take a look at it. As I said, we're going to be taking a look and see how well this thing does. Moving along, CRKT. If you didn't get that Christmas present you've been looking for, I love these old cleaver style knives. The Rip Snort, I love that. EDC folding pocket knife, $50 on that. Also, you know, my buddies over at Kubi, they sent me a couple of their knives. This whole front flip thing, it's been growing on me. And I keep this one in the truck, and after playing with it for a while, loosening it up a little bit, getting it worked in, I've actually become rather fond of it. I do have to say, I really like the blade that's on this. It's pretty nice. Anyway, on sale right now for $40. Next up, we got some deals from Bosch. So Bosch has got this thing right now going on, where on select items, if you spend $20, or you save $20 when you buy $100 or more of select items. So this is one here. And you're looking at this going, well, it's $99. I'm not going to save that $20. Well, one of the select items is the Bosch impact bits here for $4. So you add $4 on it. Now you get to apply that $20 off. If you want to buy one single item, though, check this out. You got the Bosch 2.25 HP electronic fixed base router, $129. But you're going to get $20 off more at checkout. That's $110 for a Bosch router. That's a great deal right there. Next up, we've got GreenWorks. Now, GreenWorks, they're coming out. They're really pushing this this handheld power tool line of theirs. These are the brushless. So this is not just the standard ones, but the brushless that impacts are really compact. The drill driver is kind of long for a brushless, but you know, it is a brushless one. You get 2 batteries, the charger, the bag, a pack of bits there for just under $100. That's a pretty fine deal for a brushless combo kit. Moving along, we also got the brushless jigsaw here, and you're getting the full kit there. You're getting the battery, the charger, and the tool for $110. Don't forget, by the way, I guess I skipped it on this last one. They have down here, save an extra 5% when you apply that coupon. This one's got save an extra $10 when you apply this coupon. I think they got another one here. We got save $25 on this GreenWorks Circ Saw here, and it, of course, is brushless as well. So you're getting a 7 1/4 full-size handheld Circ Saw with the battery, and this one comes with a 4 amp hour battery, and it's brushless. That's really going to be key with a tool like this. So you're getting that. That's not a bad deal for $105. All right, next up, we've got the Tech-Capo. We've got, anyway, $30 on a detail sander, and you get an extra 10% off. That's going to knock $3 more off of that if you're looking for a detail sander. We got the WorkPro. Check this out. WorkPro bar clamps. These are actually, I've heard feedback from people. They actually rather like them. They're pretty good. $34 on this, down from $40. Next up, not Sandy, the knife sharpening kit. So I got this kit for a buddy of mine. He's always got, all those knives always seem to have some nick on it. He's trying to find a sharpening stone somewhere for it. So I decided I was tired of him hunting around for it. So I got him one of these kits, and he is over the moon. He's been sharpening the snot out of all of his knives. $50.99. Look at each one of these blocks. You got the 2 grits. You got the super coarse up here. You got the 400 to 1,000, the 3,000 to 8,000. You got the guides, the leather strop, the wax on that and everything. They're the what do they call that stuff? The polishing compound. Sorry about that. Didn't want to insult the polishing compound. It's Next up, we got a Klein Tools multimeter with a whole bunch of other fun testing kind of stuff. Your full testing kit here on sale, down from $99. It's on sale for $85, which is, as I always say, if you can get any kind of deal on a Klein tool, you're doing pretty good. And last but not least is we got the brand new channel locks, the GS1X piece, the 8-inch and the 10-inch speed grip tongue and groove plier set. It's on sale for $42.84. Look at those. They look all space age and stuff. They're trying to update their look there, trying to compete with Knipex and whatnot there, clearly. Anyway, always like to support them when we can. You know, channel lock, as far as I know, most of their stuff is made in the USA. Interesting, if you look at the button here, or the hinge, that looks like an American flag. You got stars and stripes on it. Is that their way of saying made in the USA without just screaming made? Oh, there you go. Made in the USA. Of course it is. All right. There, $42.84. Now over at ye old Walmart's, we get the Hyper Tough. We had a whole bunch of these $6 kits before. Here's another one. The 208-piece rotary tool accessory kit with storage kit, $6. I might grab a few of those just to have them around. So, you know, you always end up wearing through like one or two of the bits faster than everything else. Anyway, at $6, why not have a plethora of them? All right, we also have the Goodyear. Now, somebody asked me recently what I thought of the Goodyear, and my honest response is, we don't know much about this company. This is clearly an OEM brand using the Goodyear name on some miscellaneous tools. They're probably DIY level tools, nothing fancy or anything. But for an 8-gallon allegedly quiet, air compressor for $89, I might be willing to, take a chance at that. It's got decent reviews I've read about online. Some people, the people got them seem to like them. I'm guessing they're not a heavy used kind of air compressor, just kind of casual stuff for a DIYer. But still, $90 for a hot dog style compressor at 8 gallons, not a bad deal. Next up, we got the Hart. This deal's been going on, but it's back again. We got the 6-tool combo kit here. You're getting the impact, the drill, the recip, the circ saw, the sander, the light, the batteries, and the charger there for $178. For those of you who don't know, Hart is made by TTI, the same guys who make Ryobi. This is essentially a Ryobi cousin that they've modified, updated, and now selling through Walmart. Nice thing about that is you get the updated style batteries rather than those old school kind of batteries like the Ryobis have. I'm a big fan of the newer style batteries. I have Ryobi stuff. It works just fine. They're good tools. Just hate the style of the battery on it. And if you're going to jump into this line, consider these. We got the Hart 20-volt cordless dual function digital inflator for $20. I like the little LED built into the handle. That's kind of nifty. But basically, you've got the high pressure, low volume on one side and the high volume, low pressure on the other side. Basically, air mattresses, big inflatables over here, tires and sporting equipment and such over there. $20. Now, this is not, batteries not included, okay? You throw a battery in it, jumps it up to $88. You don't want to do that. All right, if battery not included, but if you're getting into this line, how about this? $20 on their workshop blower. This is for dusting out your workshop. As you can see, the end on this is a soft rubber, so it's flexible, easy to store, not going to get damaged. Anyway, $20 on that. Next up, we've got the Hart Jigsaw. This is a pretty decent little jigsaw. Orbital, you got 3 settings, or I should say 4 settings if you consider the no orbit on it. $98. Again, battery only on this. And after that, we've got the Hart 6-inch buffer polisher, no battery included, $23 for that. That's a pretty good deal. All right, over at the old Home Depot, we've got huge savings on Makita. Look at this. Makita 8-piece kit with a drill, impact driver, circ saw, recip saw, sander, impact wrench, blower, light, 3 amp hour battery on that, plus the charger and the bag. That all for $400. This is a Cinderella deal. It's going to end at midnight. You got 12 hours and 10 minutes on this one. Next up, we've got another time-sensitive deal. The Shockwave alloy steel screwdriver bit set with the 3/8 drive metric and SAE socket set. So you're getting both sets there together for $100. Normally this set's like $100 on its own. That's a pretty sweet deal. Next up, we've got check this out, the M12 brushless stubby fuel impact wrench. If you need something small to get in tight places and deliver some real power, this is the one to do it. On top of that, you're getting you're getting that 4 amp hour battery and the 2 amp hour battery plus the charger in the bag for $189. That's 37% off. Again, expires in 12 hours. Next up, we got some Ryobi. Why does it keep doing that to me? Anyway, again, this is a great buy. Check this out. $39. If you don't have a cordless glue gun and you're in the Ryobi line, that is ridiculous. In fact, I would even consider getting this if you just need a cordless glue gun, even if you're not in the Ryobi line. Having one extra battery and charger off to the side just for having a cordless glue gun, that's worth it for me, especially at 43% off. That's a no-brainer deal on that one. All right, Husky. We got the Husky set here. Combination wrench set. This is just your basic set of combo wrenches. You get your standards and your stubbies. They're 28 piece, $24.88, basically $25. Now we got some impact, or some, I should say, the Shockwave impact bit set here. 192 piece for $39.97. Again, a limited time deal on that. We've got this Shockwave set with the right angle adapter for $39.97. We've got this one. Look at this. We got 240 pieces with the right angle adapter on top of it for $62.99. Now, over at Ace, we got a couple Ace. You're going to need to be a rewards member. It only takes a few seconds to sign up. Doesn't cost you anything. You don't want to give them your real information? Set up a burner email and do that. $5 off is going to take this down to $10 for both bags. Also, we've got the stapler here. Now, this is cordless and brushless and batteryless and all of that. You just push. Anyway, it's a stapler, $10, Craftsman, push-fired. Not a bad deal there. All right, GearWrench is now doing a 20% off. Use code DEAL20. This is on their heated gear, as you know. They've sent us a bunch of this stuff. We've given some of the stuff away. Man, if you're going to be facing weather like we have here, you want to have this. It's so funny. A lot of people have been walking around in really kind of casual, warm weather or cold weather gear over the past few weeks. Today, coming into town, you can see the little lights on everyone's vest. They've broken out the heated gear all over town. It's funny. All right, Yes Welders, as you know, they sent us the plasma cutter. We're working on doing a test right now. It's just a little chilly outside. Can't do this in the shop. I don't have the right ventilation for that. But that said, we're going to be getting you the review on the plasma cutter shortly. But I've heard so much great responses from all our viewers here about the Yes Welder. They absolutely love these things, so I just have to talk about it. 20% off site-wide sale. Use the code BOX20. I'll have, of course, a link down below. All right, now this next stuff. We got a whole bunch of Craftsman stuff going on over at the old, Lowe's there. Now, I will say this. If you're not, this has all been found over on the Facebook group. This is the Denatools Facebook group. Scroll way down in the details down below the video. You will find a link to it. And I got to say, if you're not a member, that's on you. But you got a lot of guys going, well, yeah, you see, I'm actually saving money when I spend money. Right? That's the way it works, right? So anyway, we're not going to have links to this because this is all going to be in-store only. You got to go in the store. You got to hunt for it. But my gosh, they are blowing out Craftsman. It is just absolutely ridiculous, the sales that are going on. We got the V20 here. We got the trimmer and the blower here. What is that price on that? $7? $7 for that kit. That is absolutely ridiculous. And it comes with the battery and the charger. Now, remember, these are going to be, your mileage may vary. It's going to be different store to store. You may go into your store that may be $150. The store next to you, then the next store over may be $18.47. The prices vary. The computer algorithm that controls the pricing is, is pernicious the right word? Anyway, capricious. That's the word I'm looking for. Anyway, there's lots of great deals. Guys are finding all sorts of deals on all sorts, mostly cordless tools here. We're seeing all sorts of great deals. These are popping up for like $30, $40 over there. We've got, look at this. We got a 9 amp single bevel compound miter saw with stand for $80. Tell me you don't want one of those in your shop. How about, here we go. There's the grinder, $39.57. I've seen prices lower than that. They have this deal going on. You buy the combo kit there. You get the $200 battery for free with that. We got, was a compact brushless impact wrench, $35 for that. I think that's a decent deal. What do you think? How about this? This has been a big one. This is a great starter kit. This is the V20 starter kit. You get the drill driver, the impact, the recip, and the flashlight. All of them brushless. Yes, the light is brushless. $74.67. I think the cheapest someone sent me, I mean, tons of folks have been sending me images of and stuff. Somebody told me they got it for $46 at their local Lowe's. Again, mileage may vary. That means that it's going to be different store to store. The algorithm, this is the thing about Lowe's. Lowe's clears it out by selling stuff directly to you, whereas Home Depot clears stuff out by selling it to wholesalers. This is why I do still shop at Lowe's, because whereas Home Depot may have good deals all around, the killer deals, the absolute killer deals seem to only be at Lowe's. All right, how about this? We got the 1/2-inch brushless drill driver kit. You're getting the 2 batteries, the charger, the tool, the bag. What, $159? How about, $30? $30. Are you kidding me? All right, and Metabo, check this out. This is a great deal. 18-volt, 7-piece cordless combo kit. You get the drill driver. You get the triple hammer impact. You get the one-hand recip, the multi-tool, the grinder, the light, the circ saw, 2 batteries, charger, bag, everything. Normally $500, on sale for $279. That is a great deal. Now, one last thing. I got one of the Cubs for Christmas, and I just have to talk about it because I'm so tickled by it. He is an absolute fan of our favorite Christmas movie, which, of course, is Die Hard. And I ran across this over at Grunt Style. He has not taken it off since Christmas. He is tickled about this thing. It says Yippee-ki-yay on the front, and on the back, it's got the Beretta taped to the back. Oh, my gosh. Oh, they've got them in shirts and sweatshirts. As you can see, a lot of the sizes are sold out. Sorry about it. Come down here. You can find the T-shirt also. I think we got him the T-shirt and not the sweatshirt. But that said, oh, my gosh, he is over the moon with that. Anyway, I know a little light on the deals today, but that, it's the week after Christmas. Closeout deals are coming next. Oh my gosh, stay tuned. Have you subscribed to the channel? Because if you haven't, you are going to miss out on all the killer blowout deals post-Christmas. We're going to be here bringing it to you all the time. They're going to be in the deals of the week. If they're really killer unicorn deals, we'll do special videos on it. We'll also post them we'll definitely post them in the Facebook group. We'll post them to the Instagram. So make sure you liked and subscribed and all that good stuff. Wait, here's that guy. Look, I got a little banner down there. It does the whole thing for you. Isn't that fancy? We're super fancy. Oh, that's not the right one. Oh my gosh. You can tell it's the end of the year. The bear's tired. I got to go climb under the house and fix stuff. I got a GreenWorks, cordless heat gun. We're going to take that to the pipes, see what they think about that. Anyway, I'm out of here. You all take care. God bless. Happy New Year, and hope you had a Merry Christmas as well. Shine on.